You can juggle for a while, but eventually something drops. I see it all the time. People who have built their wealth, managed investments, and made smart choices along the way. But at a certain point, the game changes. The closer you get to retirement, the less it's about growth, and the more it's about coordination. Investments, taxes, estate plans, they all need to work together. And here's the truth. If an advisor can save you from one emotional decision, like panic selling during a downturn or missing a Roth conversion opportunity, that can make up for the fees for the next 10 years. For DIYers, I get it. It's not easy to hand over the reins, but everyone needs someone 3 to 5 years from retirement where the stakes are too high and the margin for error is too small to help turn assets into income and keep emotions out of the equation. Because the real cost of going at it alone isn't just a dropped ball, it's a missed opportunity. We can help you put the pieces of your financial puzzle together to create a brighter future for you and your family.